Good morning. Thank you for joining with me. We are in the Manual for Teachers, Volume 3 of A Course in Miracles. This is Section 7. How do God's teachers deal with their pupils' thoughts of magic? How do God's teachers deal with their pupils' thoughts of magic? And I will read paragraphs 1 and 2 today. This is a crucial question both for teacher and pupil. Footnote 130. As used in the previous section, magic means relying on our own separate will to keep ourselves safe and solve our problems, rather than turning to God's will. Whereas the previous section deals with the teacher's reliance on magic, this section deals with the pupils. This section deals with the pupils. If this issue is mishandled, the teacher has hurt himself and has also attacked his pupil. This strengthens fear and makes the magic seem quite real to both of them. How to deal with magic thus becomes a major lesson for the teacher of God to master. His first responsibility in this is not to attack it. If a magic thought arouses anger in any form, God's teacher can be sure that he is strengthening his own belief in sin and has condemned himself. He can be sure as well that he has asked for depression, pain, fear, and disaster to come to him. Let him remember then, it is not this that he would teach, because it is not this that he would learn. Paragraph 2. There is, however, a temptation to respond to magic in a way that actually reinforces it. 131. This refers to responding to magic with anger and attack. As the previous paragraph explains, doing so makes the magic seem quite real to both of them. It reinforces the reality of the magic. Back to the text. Nor is this always obvious. It can in fact be easily concealed beneath a wish to help. It is this double wish that makes the help of little value and must lead to undesired outcomes. 132. The double wish, which plays a crucial role in this section, is the wish to help that is on the surface and the anger that is concealed beneath it, which is essentially a wish to hurt. Back to the text. Nor should it be forgotten that the outcome that results will always come to the teacher and to the and to the pupil. How many times has it been emphasized that you give but to yourself? 133. This is not only one of the most oft-repeated ideas in the Course, that what you give you receive, but it is also one that the Course frequently identifies as such. See Manual 4, Section 7. And this is a quote. This has been emphasized throughout the text and the workbook. And the footnote referenced in that line, that's a period. And the footnote referenced in that line. Sorry. It's a little early for me, I guess. Okay. And where could this be better shown than in the kinds of help the teacher gives to those who need his aid? Here is his gift most clearly given him, for he will give only what he has chosen for himself, and in this gift is his judgment upon the Holy Son of God. And we will pause there and pick up paragraphs 3 and 4 tomorrow. Section 17. How do God's teachers deal with their pupils' thoughts of magic? I love you. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining with me.